Miami was watching him.
Waiting like a stalking butler, who upon the finger rests, murdered now.
Kick comes to Samuel from the goal line. Smashed at the 14. Just an imbecile. I will only complicate you. Trust in me and fall as well. I will find a center in you. I will chew it up and leave. I will work to elevate you, just enough to bring you down. Mother Mary, won't you whisper something but the past is done? Mother Mary, won't you whisper something but the past is done? Second down and 9. Play action. Gardere goes down and fumbled. Maryland pauses it. Recovered inside the 10 by Miami. Harrison's pass caught by Carroll. Nice move. Touchdown Miami.
The officials have been over talking to the coaches, telling the Miami players to get back. And Dennis Erickson, after chatting with them for a few minutes, finally said, hey, forget about it. Drop dead. We're going to win anyhow. A sense that Miami feels maybe everybody here is against them. They're going to use that for their own benefit, and they are arrogant about what they can do here this afternoon in the Cotton Bowl.
I am just an imbecile. I will only complicate you. Trust in me and fall as well. I will find a center in you. I will chew it up and leave. Trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me. Why can't we not be sober? Just want to stop things over. Why can't we sleep forever? I just want to start this over.
Right down to the jersey number. Second down, Erickson looking in zone for Carroll. Touchdown Miami. Cash to the left. There he is. Oh, there he is. Cash out of bounds when he made the catch. Second down, 9. Gardere intercepted. Darren Smith to the 10. He'll high step it in for the Hurricane touchdown.
Got a handful of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it rain. I make it rain. Make it rain on them hoes. I make it rain. I make it rain. I make it rain on them hoes. I make it rain. I make it rain. I make it rain on them hoes. I make it rain. I make it rain. I make it rain on them hoes.
Crack, 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 crack. You hear hear the echo. Man, I've seen the best go, cause he ain't had that metal. I'm a hustler, a pusher's pusher. You a buster, customer. I get to some cooker. Yeah, crack is a chemist. I pack an 11. I'm macking the
we feel like real men play man, and they do it for the entire game. So we're excited about playing man against them. We're not going to change our defensive scheme just because we're playing Miami. So, you know, looking at this, I look at it as a challenge, and I look at it as it maybe being a very fun game for me.
Going downfield for Trill Hill at the 20. Penetrated, touchdown Miami.
clap, clap, clap. Gotta make that clap. Gotta make that clap. Clap, clap, clap. Yeah, clap. Gotta make that clap. Yeah, make that yeah. Now why is everybody so mad at the Southpaw? Change your style up, switch to Southpaw. Jada, I was listening, so I made him an anthem to make some dividends. Lil Mama Chai hit me with that shoulder lean. This could kill crack and I control a team. Couple bricks stacked on that triple beam. My dirty bro sipping that promethazine. That ganja green, that Cali weed. A nigga lose his life, try roll on me now. Yep, we get it. No ifs, ands about it. And the rain keep falling, even when it's droughted.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. Make it rain on them hoes, I make it right.
Breaking through is Conley for the first. Still on his feet. Conley will not be denied. Touchdown Miami.
Mommy's body's banging, she got it, man, she does it all. She gets it popping with no hands, I make it pour. I make it rain on them, I'm laying game to them. I'm guessing misses the tattoo, my name on them. Gotta get that baby love, gotta get my paper up. Gotta see strap case, that's hit crack, and when it rain on us. And you know what it is, yeah, it's them powder kids. And we know how to bid, so we don't give a shit.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. Make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes, I make it right, I make it right. I make it rain on them hoes.
Kelka,
They're dancing in midfield.
Kelly, Scott Stoltz, my nigga. Yeah, Tony Sunshine, I see you, nigga.